Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at home. It's great. Okay students, so let's start our class. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 11, constructions. Clear? So do one thing, take your geometry box, compass, protractor, scale, eraser, sharpener. All these things should be with you. Clear? Okay. So are you ready for that? Have you taken all these items? All geometrical tools are you having? Yes, very good. Now let's start exercise 11.1. This is very simple exercise. Clear? There are total 5 questions. In 4 questions, we have to construct some angles with the help of compass. Clear? There are how many questions? 5 questions in this exercise. In 4 questions, we have to construct some angles with the help of compass and ruler. Understood? So I have written all the angles which we will have to construct. Very first question, 90-degree angle. Second, 45, 30 degree, 22.5 degree. 15 degree, 75 degree, 105 degree and 135 degree. Clear? Only these angles we have to construct in this exercise. Are you ready? Okay. So first of all, I am telling you how to construct 90-degree angle. So what we will do? First of all, we will draw a baseline of any length with the help of scale. First of all, we will draw a baseline with the help of scale. The length of this line, you can take any length and name it. This is O and this point is A. You can? Okay. Now take your compass and take any radius in your compass. Fill any distance in your compass. Clear? Now put your compass at the point O. Where you have to put your compass? At O. Like this. And construct a semicircle. Like this. Take any distance in your compass. Put your compass at O and construct a semicircle like this. Got it? Now, without changing the distance in your compass. Distance change mat karna compass mein. Now you have to keep your compass on this point where this arc and this baseline intersect each other. The point where the arc and the baseline intersect each other, keep your compass at this point and cut an arc like this. Clear? Now again you have to keep your compass on this intersection point. Now you have to construct 2 arcs. One arc here or one arc on the semicircle. Keep your compass on this intersection point. Construct an arc in upward direction and another arc we have to put here. Got it? Again, we have to put our compass at this intersection point and construct an arc like this. We will have to put compass here and construct an arc like this. Clear? Now this point, this intersection point and this point, we will have to join with the help of scale. Like this. Clear? Now this is your 90-degree angle. Consider this point is B. So now angle AOB is of 90 degree. Understood? Any confusion? You can draw it? Good. So pause the video and construct it. Please. Okay students. Now the second angle is 45 degree. And beta, we all know that 45 degree is the half of 90 degree or not? 45 is the half of 90 degree. Now what we will do? We will have to bisect this angle. We will have to bisect this angle. Understood? So for making 45 degree, first of all, we will have to draw a 90 degree angle. So if we want to find construct 45 degree angle, so first of all we will have to construct 90 degree angle by the same process. Construct a baseline, name it OA. Take any distance in your compass, keep your compass at O. Construct a semicircle like this. Now put your compass on this intersection point, construct an arc like this. Now we have to put our compass here, construct another arc like this and this. Now we have to put our compass at this point, construct an arc like this. Now we will join these 2 points. This is B. This point is B. Now this angle is 90 degree. Understood? Now what we will do? We will bisect this angle. So without changing the distance in your compass, whatever you are having the distance in your compass, keep it same. Put your compass on this point and construct an arc like this. Now you have to put your compass on this point where the semicircle and the second ray of 90 degree angle intersect. Put your compass on this point. Pay more attention here. This is the intersection point of the ray of 90 degree angle and this semicircle. And construct an arc like this. Where these 2 arcs intersect each other, so this point and this point we will join with the help of scale. Consider this point is C, then this angle is of 45 degree. Clear? Any confusion? Good. So pause the video and construct this. Now third angle is 30 degree. We know that 30 is the half of 60 degree and we know that how to construct 60 degree angle. So firstly we will have to draw 60 degree and after that we will bisect it. So see, firstly we will draw a baseline, name it OA. Take any distance in your compass, keep your compass at O and construct a semicircle like this. Got it? Good. Now put your compass at this point where this arc and this baseline intersect. Now cut an arc like this. Done? Because this arc, if we will join this O point to this intersection point, then we will get an angle of 60 degree. So we will join them with dotted line. So this angle is of 60 degree, but we want 30 degree angle. So what we can do? We will bisect this angle. So again we have to put our compass on this point and construct an arc like this. Now we will have to put our compass at this point where the second ray of 60 degree angle and the semicircle intersect each other. We will put our compass here and construct an arc like this. Now this intersection point and the point O we will join with the help of scale. So this angle is of 30 degree and consider this point as B. So this is the angle of 30 degree. Clear? Now 22.5 degree. 22.5 degree. But we know that 22.5 is the half of 45 degree. Means this is the half of 45 degree. So first of all we will have to draw 45 degree angle. After that we will bisect it. Understood? So how can we draw? For constructing 22.5, first of all we will have to construct 45 degree. But how can we draw the 45 degree? For constructing 45 degree angle, we will have to construct 90 degree angle. Understood? So baseline, take any distance, semicircle, put your compass here, construct an arc like this, this and this. This is 90 degree angle, OA and B. Now we will bisect it. How can we bisect? We will put our compass here, construct an arc like this. Now we will put our compass here, construct an arc like this. Clear? This point and this point we will join together. This is the angle of 45 degree. Clear? But we don't require 45 degree angle. We want 22.5. Then we will have to bisect this angle. Again, by taking the same distance in your compass, put your compass here, construct an arc like this and put your compass on this point where the ray of 45 degree angle and the semicircle intersect. Now at this point we will put our compass, construct an arc like this where these two arcs intersect, this point and O point. This point and O point we will join with the help of scale. Now this angle is of 22.5 degree. Consider this point is C. So for making 22.5 degree, first we will draw 90, then we will bisect it and we will get 45 degree angle. Now we will bisect 45 degree angle, then we will get 22.5 degree. Got it? Good. 15 degree. 15, we all know that 15 is the half of 30. Or how can we draw 30? I have already told you. First you will have to draw 30, then we will bisect it and we will get 15 degree angle. So hope you can draw this. Understood? Good. So I am not constructing 15 degree. This you have to draw. So do one thing. Pause your video and draw 45 degree angle right now. Clear? Good. Start. Have you drawn? Yes, you are doing. Great. I hope you have drawn the 15 degree angle. Clear? So let's move on another angle, that is 75 degree. So for finding 75 degree angle, for constructing 75 degree angle, first of all we will draw 90 degree angle. First of all we will draw 90 degree angle. And you all know that how to construct 90. So O and A, take any distance in your compass, put your compass on O, draw a semicircle. Now put your compass at this point, construct an arc like this. Now put your compass here, construct an arc like this and this. Now we will have to put a compass here, construct an arc like this. Now we will join this point and this point with the help of scale. This is 90. Now we have to draw 75 degree. Because 75 degree is smaller than 90 now. So this angle will be here in this side, on the left side, on the right, left side of this 90 degree angle. So what we can do? Now put your compass at this point. Pay more attention here. For find 75 degree and 105 degree, both are nearly same. Only the difference is, just pay attention here. Put your compass at 60 degree point. जो 60 degree का point है, compass को यहाँ रखो. Change नहीं करना distance. Compass में distance change नहीं होनी चाहिए. Put your compass on 60 degree. Construct an arc like this. Now put your compass at this point where the ray of 90-degree angle and the semicircle intersect here, and construct another arc like this. Where these two arcs intersect, join this point to O and consider this point as B, and this angle will be of 75 degree. Clear? Again I am telling you, firstly we will have to draw 90-degree angle, simple. Then we will have to put our compass at 60-degree angle, construct an arc. Now we will have to put our compass at this intersection point where the ray of 90-degree angle and the semicircle intersect. From here we will construct another arc like this. Where these two arcs intersect, then we will join this point to O and we will get 75-degree angle. Clear? Now 105 degree. This is same as this. What we can do? Firstly we will draw 90-degree angle. Firstly we will draw a 90-degree angle. O, A, semicircle. From here we will cut an arc here, here, here. Now we will join these 2 points. Clear? This is 90-degree angle. Now we have to draw 105. So see, 105 is greater than 90. So it will be here. Clear? So without changing the distance in your compass, put your compass on this point where the ray of 90-degree angle and the semicircle intersect and construct an arc like this. Now put your compass on this 120 arc. Better, the very first arc of 90 degrees is of 60 degree. The second arc, this is the measurement of 120 degree. Clear? So here, now we will put our compass at 120 and construct another arc like this. Where these two arcs intersect, join this point to O. This point is B and this whole angle is of 135 degree. Clear? Good. Last angle is 135. 135 degree we will have to draw. So how can we draw 135? See here. Beta 135 degree. It is 90 plus 45 or not? 90 plus 45. We will get 135. Understood? Great. So first of all, we will draw 90 degree angle. Draw a baseline O A. Semicircle. From here, we will construct an arc. This is the measurement of 60. Now we will put our compass here, construct an arc like this and like this. Now we will put our compass here, construct an arc like this. This is the 90 degree angle. Clear? Now we want 45 degree. So what we will do? We will extend this baseline like this. We will extend this baseline. Clear? Now without changing the distance in your compass, put your compass here where the extended line and the semicircle intersect. Where this extended line and the semicircle intersect. Keep your compass here. Construct an arc like this. Clear? Now the second arc we will draw from this point. Now put your compass at this point where the ray of 90 degree angle and the semicircle intersect and construct another arc. Where these two arcs intersect each other, join this point to O. this point is B. Now this whole angle, which angle? BOA. This is of 135 degree. Clear? So here the construction of all these angles are completed. Clear? So students, pause your video and try to construct this angle. Understood? Okay students, now the last question of this exercise, the last question of 11.1 is question number 5. And in question number 5, question is saying construct an equilateral triangle of any length. Construct an equilateral triangle of any length. So first of all, before constructing this triangle, first of all we should know what is an equilateral triangle. And I know most of you knows very well what is an equilateral triangle. Am I right? Yes. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. Am I right? A triangle in which all three sides are equal is known as equilateral triangle. Very good. Now, but how can we construct an equilateral triangle of any length? So, you can draw a baseline of any length. For constructing an equilateral triangle, firstly we will draw a baseline of any length. So, I have drawn a baseline AB of any length. Clear? Okay. Now put your compass at A. Compass को A पर रखेंगे and we will fill the distance of AB. We will fill the distance of AB in our compass. What we will do? We will fill the distance of AB in our compass. Fill it? Good. Put your compass at A. Construct an arc like this. What we will do? Firstly, we will fill the distance of AB in our compass. Now we will put our compass at A and construct an arc like this. Now we will repeat the same process from B. Means we will have to keep our compass at B and construct another arc like this. Clear? Where these two arcs intersect each other, this point is known as C. Where these two lines intersect each other, this point is known as C. Now join AC and BC with the help of scale. Join AC and BC with the help of scale. Now this ABC triangle is an equilateral triangle. This ABC triangle is an equilateral triangle. Understood? You can verify it by taking the distance of all these three sides. Whenever you will measure the distance of all these three sides, they will be equal. Clear? So if all three sides are equal, that means it is an equilateral triangle. Got it? Good. Now students, here 11.1 exercise is finished. Clear? So I am going to wind up this video and we will meet again in the next video with exercise 11.2. Clear? So till that time, you will have to construct all these angles which are given in exercise 11.1. You have to solve all sums which are given in a 11.1 and you have to send your work on my WhatsApp number by 6 PM today.